Welcome to the showroom of our Leipzig factory, where I would like to give you a short introduction to our S8 Plus demo board. Starting from left to right, the first section that we see here is the so-called universal mounting design. Universal mounting means that you can combine the three different installation types: withdrawable units, fixed mounted units, and down here we also have a sample for the plug-in design. You can use the section also exclusively for withdrawable units or fixed mounted design, but as shown here, you can also mix it. The feeders of this section are rated for cable feeders up to 630 amps, for motor starters up to 250 kilowatts at 400 volts. What we also see here in the middle on the screen, this is our HMI that we have developed for the SIVACON S8 PLUS. It's called Semaris Control, and it's our smart condition monitoring system. The right door of the universal mounting design section is the cable compartment. Behind that are the cable terminations for power and control connections. And on the front of that door, we see this alphabetical grid. This helps you identifying the exact location of a feeder if you look it up in a circuit diagram and want to reference it to the switchboard. Moving further to the right, we have our arc fault mitigation system consisting of the arc detection relay, and inside the cubicle we have the arc quenching device. This system is used to enhance the arc fault safety level of the switchboard. How does it work? There are light sensors installed throughout the switchboard in several locations, and these sensors monitor for the light emission of an arc fault. To avoid fault strippings, we combine this information with the current that is taken from the incomer. There are CTs in the incomer, and so if we see the light signal and on the other side we have the steep rising current, then this relay will send a trip signal at least to the breaker, but also very fast to the arc quenching device inside, which will then create a three-phase short circuit on the main bus bar, taking away the energy from the arc flash, and extinguishing it that way. And it does that in a very fast time, so the energy that is released inside the switchboard is reduced to a minimum level. Next to that, we have the circuit breaker design. This will be present in almost any kind of type of switchboard, as it acts as the incomer for the system. But it's in a power distribution board, it can also act as an outgoing feeder. There are three sections inside this cubicle. Up at the top location, we have the cable compartment, or in this case, the connection to the busbar trunking system, SIVACON S8 PLUS. In the middle, we have the main breaker, the 3WA. This is rated from 630 amps up to 6,300 amps, then in obviously bigger frame sizes than we have here. And the lower compartment is used for auxiliary circuitry. If the local installation requirements are different, you can also swap the locations of the upper and the lower compartment to have the infeed from below. On the right-hand side, we have our frequency converter design. This is a type of fixed-mounted installation. It consists of modules for the feeders, and on each module, all the components that belong to one feeder are installed. So, for instance, the power module of the Cynamics G120 series, line reactor, choke, yeah, and everything that belongs or is available for one feeder. It's a very compact design. Depending on the rating of the feeders, up to 9 modules can be installed in one section, and the modules themselves have a rating of up to 132 kilowatts. What we also see on the right 2 sections is the mimic diagram that provides the maintenance staff with a very simple overview of the energy flows inside the switchboard without the need for checking a circuit diagram or a single line diagram, for instance. What we also see here on the top of the section is our field designation bar, where the labels for the section names can be placed. And on the feeders, we have an additional bar where feeder names, tag numbers can be placed. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.